Hi, my name is Sylvester Hansen, and I am the lead developer on the game Spektakel. What I'll be sharing with you today is the third demo in the series that just details the development of Spektakel. This is quite possibly the final demo that I'll be sharing with you, as I am currently working on an actual playable version of the game that I hope to be able to share soon. So without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the third demo of Spektakel that I ever made. In this demo, I included a lot of new gameplay features that I'll be sharing with you today. So the first thing that you'll probably notice is that this game looks quite a bit more polished than earlier versions. It does so because I actually tried this out on a small group of teenagers just to test it out on my target audience. Luckily, that actually went pretty well, with the main feedback being that it was fun. Not particularly descriptive, but I'd take it. So what you can see here is that my main character, Gerda, has changed her look quite a bit. I've given her dreadlocks and I've darkened her skin a bit, just to make the character seem a little bit more real to me. So let's start with a gameplay feature that has not changed. If I go in and talk to this character right here, you can see it's basically the same setup. She speaks to you, you speak to her, and you still speak in emojis. If she will speak in text, you will answer an emoji. One of the major things that really changed in this version of the game was the inventory. The inventory before had a somewhat interesting way about it, but as you can see here, you can actually throw away some of the clothing that Gerda is wearing, also her weapon. And you can pick those back up and reapply. Let's just do that real quick. There it is. And let's just drink a potion while we're at it. What also changed here, and one of the major things that I worked on, was the inclusion of lettering. For those of you not in the know, Spektakel is a game that's based around learning to read and write. So the way that I designed this new way of actually purchasing materials in the game was that you now have to use a Scrabble mechanic. It works thusly. Down here you have the letters that you've obtained through combat, and up here you have the items that you can purchase. So you take one item and put it in the purchasing bin, or something that you want to purchase. Now that costs 5 money. You now have to create a word using sort of a Scrabble mechanic to actually make those 5 monies appear. In this case we have the word any. A-N-Y. Now you can see in the cash part of this, I actually now have created 6 money, or 6 things. So I can now purchase this one potion. Now I have 5 potions. I had 4 before. Now the way that I actually get this this currency is through combat. So you can see here we have an enemy. I can take out a sword and actually attack it. When it dies, it gives me a letter. This one gave me a C, not particularly helpful, but it's fine. And this one might give me something a little bit more helpful, an F. So, at this point I actually hadn't created the algorithm that I use now to define which letters you get. Of course, consonants and vocals don't need to be equal, they need to be distributed towards what you use the most, and I now have made that, but I hadn't at this point. So this is the third demo. I hope to be able to share with you something soon. I'm still working on the fourth demo. I'm planning and hoping to have that out to you soon for you to actually play. But until then, I hope you stay tuned. I hope you like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you again soon.